SmallRig RM40C mini LED video light. Hey guys, and welcome at Test and Review. Today I wanted to show you and actually present you for the first time the SmallRig RM40C. This is a compact video light with integrated cooling and battery, which is also happens to be RGB. So very decent and flexible, useful, versatile lighting tool for your video projects and not only photography as well. So let's begin with the specifications. First of all, I should mention this is a 40-watt video light, and today I is just going to be unboxing. I'm not going to make the full review, which will come after some time of using it. I want to share with you only real-world consumer experience. I'm also using other compact video lights from other brands like the Zhiyun and a few others, but I wanted to try this one since I need more lighting for my project. So this seems to be a very good competitor. The packaging, very sturdy, nice packaging. Some basic information on the back, the model 40C mini LED video light, 40 watts RGB. And now let's take a quick look in what's inside. You have a booklet with some instructions and information about the product. Nothing really special or particularly interesting. Then we have this protector. And here inside, what I like very much about this product is that it has few accessories that are included, like the mesh and this one, which with my Zhiyun were not included. I really like this, but let's put it on the side. I will explain more what occasions I'm using this. Let's put them on the side. It's great that SmallRig included them in the package. And here itself is the light, 40 watts RGB. Let me show you really quick. Type-C charging, on and off button. This is the modes button. This is a controller for the menu, and here you have a color LED display. So, and here is the cooling fan. One thing I noticed in the first test is that the cooling fan is constantly working, no matter if it's on low watts or on high. It's always using it on different RPM, unlike the Zhiyun that I'm using, which kicks in when it's really hot. When you push the light to the limit, then it turns on, while here it's always on, but on different RPMs. Let me just turn it on real quickly and show you the display. In another longer video, I will show you all the different modes that it has, how they work, how you can change them. Generally speaking, very nice build quality, sturdy, a bit heavy, but that is because of the large battery. This guy really holds up, so you don't need to worry for your project. If you use it on medium power, it can last over 30 minutes. I'm sure about that, even though I haven't tested it thoroughly, but I will do so and I'll share my impressions. But definitely a longer lasting time compared to the Zhiyun 40 watts that I'm using. And as I explained, you have the modes. Let's try to turn it on for a sec. There you go, and the light is on. I'm not turning it towards the camera, so we'll protect your eyes. And let's see how powerful this guy can be. As you can hear, the cooling fan has already kicked in, and I'm increasing the power and more, and this is generally the maximum. So as I mentioned, I'll test it in another video. I just wanted to give you quick heads up before the full review and short unboxing. If you have any questions or requests regarding this product, drop me a line below, and I'll make sure to make a very nice, insightful video review. So stay tuned, subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.